Welcome to our video showcasing this incredible horizontal machining center, manufactured by a Japanese company in the year 2000. This amazing machine is a true testament to the engineering excellence of the time. In this first part of the video, we will provide you with an overview of the machine and its impressive specifications. We will also take you on a tour of the tool magazine that has an impressive number of 60 tool spaces. A quick check of the electrical panel will be shown too, so you can see that the features that made this machining center stand in the year 2000 are impressive even now to this date. Whether you're a professional machinist or just interested in the engineering and technology of this machine tool, this video is sure to impress. So sit back and enjoy the show as we take a closer look at the powerful and precise model of horizontal machining center. Japanese machining centers are widely recognized as some of the best in the field. Japanese machines are designed and manufactured to very tight tolerances, which ensures that they produce highly accurate parts. In addition to precision, Japanese machining centers are also known for their reliability. These machines are built to last, and they require minimal maintenance to keep them running smoothly. This reliability is especially important in manufacturing environments where downtime can be costly. With a machine like this, manufacturers can be confident that their equipment will be up and running when they need it, minimizing disruptions to production. Japanese machining centers are also known for their efficiency. These machines are designed to be highly productive, and they can handle large volumes of work with minimal supervision. This efficiency is especially important in industries such as automotive and electronics manufacturing, where fast turnaround times are essential. With a Japanese machining center, manufacturers can keep up with the demands of their customers, ensuring that they are always able to deliver on time. Many of these machines are equipped with the latest technology, such as automated tool changers, high-speed spindles, and advanced control systems. In conclusion, a Japanese machining center is sure to meet your needs in every field, so don't miss out on this video. Right now, we can see the pallet rotation, and after that our Indian team operator will make the spindle spin for an extra check of the machine by bringing it to the max speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute. This powerful machine is equipped with a CNC control system, which provides precise and accurate control over the machining process. Then, in a moment, you will see the changing tool action and how incredibly fast and smooth it is, as well as a close-up of the CNC. One of the key features of the HM-4 is its double pallet system with a size of 400 per 400 millimeters. This allows the machine to handle multiple workpieces, increasing its productivity. Last check, before we start an automatic working cycle, is the pallet change. This incredible feature is always appreciated by companies that have to produce without never stopping the machine. Now we will be showing a simulation of working cycle of the machine. This will give you a clear understanding of how this HMC operates and the level of efficiency it can achieve. As you watch the video, pay close attention to the machine's movements and the changing tool action. Personally, we love that. You'll see it yourself the capabilities of this powerful machine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and also leave a comment on what you think about the machine. We always appreciate your feedback. Enjoy the machine in action. The HM-4 has a travel range of 560 millimeters in the x-axis, 510 millimeters in the y-axis, and 560 millimeters in the z-axis. This gives the machine a large working envelope, allowing it to handle a wide range of part sizes. The spindle speed of the HM-4 is 10,000 revolutions per minute, which is ideal for high-speed machining. The spindle motor is 22 kW, which gives the machine plenty of power for heavy cutting. The machine also has a 60-tool magazine, which allows for fast and efficient tool changes. The HM-4 also has a high-pressure through-spindle coolant system, which provides improved chip evacuation and better cooling of the cutting tools. This helps to prolong the life of the tools and improve the surface finish of the parts. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a chip conveyor, which helps in removing the chips from the workpiece and keeps the work area clean. Overall, the HM-4 is a high-performance machine that offers a wide range of features and capabilities. Do you agree with us? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching our video showcasing the incredible OKK HM-4 Horizontal Machining Center. We hope that you found the information and demonstrations provided in the video to be informative and engaging. We would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and updates on the latest technology and equipment. Also, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the machine. Your feedback and support are always appreciated. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to your next visit.